So hope you guys must be knowing that today's subject is personality. We will be not talking about the personality development. We'll try to understand what exactly mean by personality first. So because unless we don't know the subject, then the development is the next phase. So today we'll try to understand what exactly mean by personality, why personality is important, and from where it is coming from. So let's take this subject and let's wait for another 1 minute max because there are very few people joined today. uh, okay, sir, do we get the recording of today's sessions? Yes, Venkatesh. So every session whatever we are doing on Wednesday and Sundays, everything we are recording, and you can see all the recordings in the learning hub in transform idea into program. So in the last, if you see, there is separate session called Wednesday's meeting and Sunday's meeting. So you'll get all the recording, don't worry. So even if something is missed, you will be finding. In fact, all other meetings, those who have been already done so far, you can go to the respective programs. If you go to the weekly programs, there also Wednesday and Sunday meetings been already uploaded, so you can even refer the old one as well. Yeah. So there is no daily meetings here. So what we mentioned very clearly in our webinar, that we want you to at least spend your 30 minutes on this program. So whatever you are learning, at least dedicate your 30 minutes on daily basis. Watch videos, learn from the videos. Whatever assignments been given, at least ensure that 30 minutes minimum you are spending on this whole program. Otherwise, what normally happens, you take the programs, initially you have all that excitement, so for some period you really get engaged, and after a few days you get disconnected. So we don't want that. So we want you to completely focus on this. So every day dedicate yourself. That is the reason even in the first week itself we are expecting you to make your map of success, where you have to really put your hand and promise yourself that every day what you are promising to yourself you will fulfill, and you will be abide by that all. Okay. Okay. So 15 minutes is that, and for our internal reviews, on every Wednesday we'll be having a session on 8 p.m. where we will be taking one subject plus open session. So we'll be trying to pick some subjects which may you want us to speak about, and any another roadblocks or challenges you have for your regular course of the action. Second, on Sunday normally we do 11 a.m. practice sessions where you have to come and present your all presentations or assignments what you have been already learned during the week period. So if you present here slide by slide or by basis on your pitch, we can guide you, we can suggest you all the modifications or upgradation is required. Okay, great. Who and why is chart taken? Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's move on the presentation, guys. So like I have mentioned, so today's subject is about personality. So we'll be not talking about the development part like clearly mentioned. We'll try to understand what exactly mean by personality, why it is important, and from where the term has been came in our life, why it is important. That all we will try to cover. Okay, yes, personality. So let me jump on the presentation, and then after the presentation we'll be having a QA session on this subject also, and after the QA session we'll be having some more open session if anyone have any query, any questions regarding their issues or any other challenges. Okay, so let's go on the personality. So let's try to understand today what exactly mean by the personality. Like when we say the term personality, what exactly mean by that, and why personality is important. That also need to really understand, because most of the time we have multiple interpretation about this personality. We get confused with this term. Sometimes we consider this how we look, how we speak, how we convey ourselves. That is also to be considered like a personality, but that is just a small element or small part of that personality. We have to understand from where this term is really coming from. So in case, if you in nutshell, if you see the definition, or if you understand the definition of personality, it is something more like a perception about you, because this is something which you want to showcase yourself to the people, because how people conceive you, how people perceive you, that depends, and that gives the results of your personality, because you are doing for some purpose, and for what reason you are trying to show yourself for like X or Y, that is the purpose, and that is the perception you want to create. So it is more like a perception about you, either in people to whom you are trying to address, in family, in group, in community, in society, or maybe if you are targeting some selective people or selective audience. So it is all how you really try to portray yourself, try to convey yourself as a personality. But let's understand and try to understand from where it is coming from and why it is so important for us. Sorry. So why personality is important? Sorry. So personality is important. So understand the term. Let's go and try to diagnose and try to understand from the history of this word, from where it is coming. So unless if you don't go into the back, unless we don't analyze what exactly already happened and why this term is important for us, we won't be able to understand. So we'll go into the history of this and we'll try to understand what exactly a personality means. Sorry, my throat is not good. Okay. So for personality understanding, we have to go into the building of the society, how the actual society has got built up, from where this term is coming from, why we are giving so much of importance about our image, why our image is so important for the society, and how it is coming from. So if we understand how this society got formed, so you must be knowing, you all people must have learned history. So the human evolution, everyone has been already learned about. So initially, when we started as a human society, the first term has been came in like the male and female came together, and gradually we have started a family. So initial purpose of having two people together was to reproduce the and for the production side, as well as because both the male and female are got attracted together, they start living together, and gradually they have converted into families. Now slowly gradually there is some need been arrived where lot of people start working together, lot of people came together and start living together. Reason, the main reason behind why people were came together was the security, because earlier people used to live in jungles. So the bigger issue was a threat, because if everyone is alone, if everyone is residing separately, so chances of secure insecurities or chances of threat was big higher. So people together realized, if they want to address the challenge of security, if they want to address the other animal issues or other issues, better to come together and live together, and that's how tribes has got arrived. Okay. So slowly gradually people started living together and tribes started believing. Now if you know that if all people come together, if multiple people are coming together, of course there will be always challenge, because every people is a different people, everyone is coming from different all mindsets, everyone is coming from different thought process, maybe the expectations, aspirations, everything is different. So when lot of people coming together, then there is a conditions where people have realized they should need to regulate it. If they want to live together, they need a rules and regulations to really have that all combination properly. If there is no rules and regulation, if everyone is not following the same regulations and rules, possibly people may get into trouble, some people may get more advantage, some people may get trouble. So they have defined that this in some terms they will be following, and people will be starting together and living it. But unfortunately, it's every time it is not possible that everyone will definitely abide all the rules and regulations. So there are few people who are always been going to create nuisance and challenges. So there the leader is coming in the picture. So gradually they have realized Rather, only having a rules and regulation is not going to be 100% assurance of abiding the rules and regulations and terms. They need someone who can really force that all rules and regulation and keep the check on it. So they have created someone among the team, among the group, to ensure that they will ensure that all the rules and regulations and terms will be taken care. And slowly, gradually, they started calling them like a leader, and they start following him because he is going to be a leader, or he is going to be a person who is ensuring that everything is going to be as per the plan. So he become an important person in the whole group, and gradually things have been grown up. People have taken more into the depth. They have created multiple versions of it. They have made him king, and other things happen. This is how the society has got formed. So the main reason of having all people together was survival, and second is the security. Now, why the personality is important? So, like a lot of people are getting and connecting all that personality issues or everything related to the religion, or maybe related to the beliefs, or related to the morality. But the initial phase when it actually started, it was all only for the purpose that all the rules and regulations what everyone will follow. The main motive and purpose was what? Only to ensure that whatever actions you are doing, it will be 100% good for the society. Means whatever the team has been decided, like one team is coming together, if one tribe is residing together, what rules and regulation they have decided, if everyone is following that, that person is good for the society. If someone is not following that, that is bad for the society. That is the basic principle of that rules and regulation. So even our belief system, if you simply understand, even if you consider yourself like a part of one tribe, so we are also following some rules and regulation from the from the childhood, because whatever our own people, our family members, our and all the observations around us, what we have accumulated together, like whatever we have observed within our family, within our society, within our school, to whom all everyone what come in our touch, we are tried to accumulate all that thoughts and terms and try to feed to us. So it is not necessary that what currently you are doing is 100% perfect, because it is all depend on what you have so far learned. That is the only what you have, basis on that you are defining it, either it is good or bad. So what you have accumulated as a thoughts and terms, basis on that you are defining that it is good for people or good not for good for people. So that is normally we call values, cultures, humanity, equality. Now, may you started your journey, and consider that you have been gone, and everyone has got different upbringing. Everyone is coming from different culture, different values. But once you reach to your own adult position, when you start thinking of your own self, it is the time for you to really evaluate and understand that whatever you have learned so far, either that is really good for the society or bad for the society, because it is the only one single term which is defining either your personality is good or bad. That is only on the condition that you are really good for the society, for the people around you, or you are not good for that society around you. That is the only single term, and this term will keep evolving, because you have to understand that either whatever actions you are doing, that actions are really suitable for the people around you. But most of the people are really considering what actions is suitable for your own self, whatever action is suitable for your own self, based on that you are trying to create your own personality. But if you really want to portray, because end of the day you want a certification or that all acknowledgement from the people, from the society to whom you are addressing. So you have to understand your audience, you have to understand your people to whom you are addressing, and basis on their terms and conditions you have to define you are good and you are bad. If you are good for them, it is all going well for you. If it is not matching with their expectations, something is going wrong with you. That is very simple. Now if you see, in our whole life, normally we are really taking up multiple roles, and if you really put yourself in the position, so you will be realizing that every time, as a child, as a student, or maybe as a family member, or maybe as a friend, as a professional leader, or as a human being, if you observe yourself, you are not actually always same in all the areas, because when you are in front of your parents, your behavior is completely different. When you are with your friends, your behavior is completely different. So you have a multiple personalities. So like we have already we also heard this split personality, multiple personalities. So if you put yourself in the position, don't you think you behave multiple, you behave so much roles in your all your positioning, when as a child, when you are in place of your in front of your grandparents, your behavior is different. In place of some other people, your behavior is something different. So the issue is, there is a disturbance, guys. If someone is having a mute, this your mic on, please mute it. So you have to really understand, either you are really having that real side of yours, or you are enacting. Because if you consider yourself, like, suddenly what happens, I used to behave like that uh, till the time my father was not in house. I used to be more like a very nasty child. I used to play, I used to jump and tease my mother, play with her. As soon as my father is in home, I used to be a silent, reserved and completely different person. So why it is like that? So I was real when my father was not in home, or I was enacting in front of him. So when your personality have a different shade, then there is a problem. If you are acting and if you are having a one single shade of your personality, like if you are real at all the time, or you are enacting like at one all the time. So you must have heard, like, people are really like politicians. So they are enacting a position or a role their whole life. They are acting their all role for whole the life. They are enacting everywhere, even at home, at their places, everywhere. They speak the same language, they dress up the similar way, they portray themselves like a similar in a similar position. So they trying to enact like a politician, may it is a real or not, but they are really acting like that. So what kind of a positioning you want to convey to the people? If all together, when slowly gradually all your that positioning is coming to the one single place, and if you are trying to show your one side of the positioning, then if it is a bad, of course it is going to be a bad personality. If it is good for all, then it's going to be a good personality. Very simple. But in case, in normal, in general, what happens, you are having a multiple personalities. Every time you are behaving a separate person, then of course there is no personality, because you are splitting your all energies into multiple zones. Make your one stand. If you are an aggressive person, put yourself like an aggressive person in all the areas. If you are a sober person, you have to be sober person all across. Even we as a person also always appreciate, why people are really appreciating Salman Khan, and for an example, even though he is a blunt, even though he is not, maybe not a good human or not human, that is subjective, but still people are admiring him, because he is always same across all the channel. He is speaking the same. He is always behaving same in all the conditions, in all the circumstances. So people start relating with him. People start believing that this person does have guts. He is really having a personality, that nothing is holding him. Similarly, if you really have that spine, if you have that, find that one single part which is your part of personality, and make that like a one single goal. But if it is good for all, then of course it is good. And if it is not good for everyone, then it is going to be a problem, because then you are not creating a good personality for yourself. So very simple. How to identify that? If you want to really see, check your terms first. You have to really understand that what kind of a belief systems you have. No matters from which background you are coming from, which religion you are coming from, which all circumstances and conditions you are coming from. Just pen down the all belief system you have. Either you really respect women, you really respect your elders, you really respect your colleagues. How you really understand from your own understanding that what all values you already have. Either what all your actions are really good for all, then of course you are at the right hands. But in case if you think something is wrong, if something you are already carrying with you which is not carrying your personality well, you just need to sit down and pen down the issues what you have and correct it. That is the only options which you have, because it is all about evaluation. You have to evolve over the period. You cannot remain the same. In the childhood, if you are behaving like kid, that doesn't mean in the adult condition also you will remain the same. You have to evolve, you have to upgrade yourself. Then accept the rules to evolve. You have to accept whatever best is for the people, not for yourself. In case whatever terms you are defining, if those rules and regulations are good for the people, like today, if you think I will do anything what suits to me, but in case within your family, if everyone is like for an example, if someone is from the Jain family, like after some period, one of my friend, he came to hostel. Now he has got all other habits because of their friend circle, but when he'll go back to the home, do you think he should leave all what he is not been supposed to do at home? So what happens in case if he is not accepting the rules which is suitable for his own people, then of course he is losing his all path and he is creating a bad personality for himself. So it is all about accepting the rules to evolve for people around you, because you want acknowledgement from the people. Follow your rules for yourself. When you set your rules, it is not for the people, it is for you, because you have to set the rules and you have to follow first, and then you can expect other people may follow it. But in case if someone else is not following it, and for that reason if you are also not accepting it, or you are not following it, or you are taking a different path to make your things complete from your own comfort, then of course there is a problem. So simple rule is, if you really want to create a good personality, the only single rule is how you are trying to portray yourself. It is if advisable, if it is a good, and if it is a beneficial for the people around you, means you are going on a right direction. Just for example, consider now today, this is a big question you may ask yourself or people around you. Now today, you are more like a son to someone. Maybe you are a dad to someone. Maybe you are a boss to someone, daughter, mom, or colleague. So possibly you are into multiple roles currently. If you see, these are nothing but the titles. More like if you are a CEO of the company, it is more like a title. It is a position, but at the same time title. You want people to really respect you only because you are in the position as a CEO, or you want that you should be get respect because you really deserve that position? That is very important question to be asked. So today, for example, like if you are a son, today you question yourself, either if you as a son, if you are going to the home, if you remove this tag from your this position, in case if consider you are going back to your home, and if you are not a son of that family, does that family will definitely give all the same respect, same love and affection to you? If it is not, then there is a problem, because they are not just they are just respecting and giving all affection to that title, not to the person. So when that match happens, when you remove that title, if people are not just going by the title, and if they are respecting you as a human, not for that position, then of course you are achieving something, because people are not entitled, people are not, they are not bothered if you are a son, you are a daughter, or you are a mother or a daughter or a colleague. If you are a human, then also you get all that respect. So it is really important to understand, as a title you are not entitled for any respect, any affection. You are getting all the affections and all the love and all the respect only because you as a person have that personality which is really beneficial for the people around you. If you are beneficial for them, you will get that respect. Tomorrow, if you are simply expecting only because I am a dad, and that was a mindset earlier, because if I am a dad, I should get all that respect. If I am an elder son of my all that family, I should get that all respect. Why you should get respect? If you don't deserve that, if you don't have that all caliber, if you don't have that personality, you are not entitled for that respect. But yes, our culture is really giving that all values from the early, that we are being taught and given all that learning from the childhood, that we should respect elders, we should and respect all our family members and elders and elders, everyone. But gradually, when you will start working together with that person, when you will get more engaged with that customer, that person, gradually, if you don't find that right thing which you are expecting from that person, slowly, gradually, you start losing that grip. So if you really want that respect, if you want to create that good personality, if you really want to portray yourself like a great personality, then of course you have to ensure that you are a good human being, and whoever around you for whom you are working, either it is your colleagues, either your staff, either your all family members or everyone, if you have one single personality, that is going to make your personality. Okay, so perception is about real you. What real you is one single real you, because you not need to be a different person at all the time. People should not say यार ये तो आज ऐसा दिखता है, कल थोड़ी देर के बाद मेरे पीछे जाएगा तो कुछ और बातें करेगा, है ना. ही टुडे समवन विल से ओके ये यहाँ शांत बैठा रहता है, लेकिन इसको देखना 2 दिन के बाद में ये पता नहीं कहाँ हुल्लड़ मचाता रहेगा. सो दैट इज नॉट अ रियल कैरेक्टर. Everyone should say कि this is the person. May if you are a shy personality, people should accept you, and you should also accept yourself. Yes, I am a reserved person, but I am the same. I am not harmful for anyone. I am good for people, and that is something which we call personality. So whatever roles you have, no matters. If all together, if one personality gives you that all identity, that's your personality. Okay, that is the simple definition which I think defines a person. That is something which defines that what you are exactly. So don't try to make your multiple shades, because if you have multiple shades, if you have multiple personalities, and multiple personality, split personality is a problem. We consider that as a problem, or we consider that as a disease. So if you are a one single person, if you are a one person who is having a one identity, that makes something is your personality. That you have to define either it is a good or a bad. So if you want to make your personality good, then of course you have to define it. Okay, I will be always faithful, I will be always good to my all people, and everything is coming through that positioning of your all personality, and it is not going to be an easy path. You have to really showcase what real side you have. So lot of people, even though like for an example like Gandhi ji, so we when he started in a campaign in India, so no one was respecting him. His all thought process, his all ideologies was completely rejected by all the people. But he took his stand. He gradually conceived everything first in himself. He delivered everything from his own side, and gradually people started believing in his thought process, and he has become a leader in that position. But in case if you are not conceiving, if you are not showing that strong spine behind all what you are real truth, then of course you have a problem. Okay, so guys, this is about personality, I hope, because today we are not talking about how to develop it, because it is all depend on, because it's all depend on the kind of role you are trying to portray yourself. Like today, if you want to be an entrepreneur, then what kind of an entrepreneur you want to be, that you have to define by yourself, and basis on that you have to evolve as a personality. That is a different subject, that how you will look like, how you will behave, how you will speak with your people. But prior to that, prior to become a CEO, you have to be a good human person. Unless you are not able to get connect with the people, unless you are not going to be connect with all around your people, if people are not finding you safe around them, people are not expecting that respect from you, then of course rest of the things may not happen. Okay, so that is only what all you really, how you speak, how you really behave, how what is your body language, how you convey your message, that is all the outer packaging. But the inner strong strength is how you really be a human being first. Okay, okay guys, good. Any question about this? Hope my message is clear. This could be something different you must have heard about the subject, but of course you have to really understand the core of the subject first. Rather, because if you type in the Google, you will find so much of interpretation, and everybody is talking about the same things, like कि है ना पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट मीन्स व्हाट, हाउ यू विल स्पीक, हाउ द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स टू बी इम्प्रूव, know yourself first, understand yourself. But that is all subjective. That is all depends on the subject to subject situations, because that comes later. First you have to understand that why you want to be a good person. If you that thought is not clear to you, if you don't know that why you want to be a good human being, why it is required to be a good human being, it is not related with your morality. There is nothing called morality, there is nothing called good or bad. Everything good and bad is defined by us only, right? It is all us which we define as a good and bad, and the definition of good and bad keeps changing and keep evolving. Today what is good, may tomorrow it is not going to be remain as a good, because पहले जो हमारी रूढ़ी रीति जो रिवाजें थी, of course everything which has been given to the society as a rule, as a term, that was good for that time of the situation, उस time के लिए बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन that doesn't mean it will carry the same way. Like today, if there is a COVID condition, during the COVID condition, like we cannot simply say कि जाओ लोगों को मिलो, गले मिलो. But in a normal situation, I used to push my kid that you have to go to the people, you have to go and meet your friends. You cannot only remain at your home. आप घर पे अकेले नहीं रह सकते हो, आपको स्कूल जाना जरूरी है. Someone has asked me in one of the webinar that why schooling is required. So school is not only about studying. So school is more about how you get social with the people, how you interact with people, है ना. आप दोस्तों के साथ कैसे बिहेव करते हो, टीचर्स के साथ कैसे बिहेव करते हो, दोस्त कैसे बनाते हो, लोगों की इमोशंस को कैसे समझते हो. सम है ना इन योर फ्रेंड सर्कल यू मस्ट बी रिलेटिंग विद योर, यू कैन रिलेट विद योर ओन चाइल्डहुड, कि हॉस्टल में एक बच्चे को तकलीफ है, ये हम मिलके कैसे इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. हम ग्राउंड में जब खेलते हैं, दैट योर बिहेवियर रियली शोज योर पर्सनालिटी, दैट समवन हैज गॉट हर्ट, यू आर गोइंग टू हिम एंड हेल्पिंग एंड गिविंग हिम हेल्प हैंड, और दूसरे हैं वो ऊपर से और दो लात मार के निकल जाएंगे. So that is how you are building your personality. You are not only understanding how to behave in the society, but also learning that how you are important for the society. Because every individual need to really understand कि individually हम कितना contribute कर सकते हैं. Because end of the day we have to come together and live in the society. So and we want that acknowledgement from people कि मैं अच्छा हूँ या बुरा हूँ. सो जिनके लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ, अगर मैं उनको समझ ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ, देन ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, ग्रेट. ओके, थैंक यू. ग्रेट, सो यू गॉट द आंसर. ओके, मेघन.
Yes, sir.
या मेघन, यस प्लीज.
Adesh here, sir.
आदित्य.
Actually, I asked one question during the definition of how to put your personality. You have to first identify which type and what type of entrepreneur you want to be.
Correct.
So, can you please more elaborate about that, the classification of entrepreneurship?
See, there is a separate session in my all this program where we identify as an entrepreneur you should have at least this four kind of skills. One is the ideation, second is a creation, third is a promoter, and fourth is a an operator. I consider this as a team, because in case if you are good in ideation, means you are good as a person who is having an idea, you have all the knowledge about that subject, you can create that idea into really a good business model, so you know in and out everything about that idea. But do you really have that all conditions, like you have all vendors available for that to create and convert that idea into real product, because that is also more important today. If you know that कि जैसे मैं when I was in my college days, I was started building a मैंने एक छोटा सा बाइक वॉशिंग सेंटर बनाने का शुरू किया था. So I was having a plan that ki there will be a ramp where the bike will be bike will come on the ramp, and there will be all nozzles, and every nozzles will be washing all the vehicle. So and then I will create ATM center kind of options where people will come, swipe the card, and they will get their vehicle washed. ऐसा कुछ मेरा thought था. So I was all have that idea. I was created everything. Gradually what happened, since I was coming not from that business background, So I got stuck because I was not having any knowledge about how to really find parts, where to go, how to do a casting, कहाँ से वो RAM खरीदा जाएगा, how to get that all material. So I got stuck. So ideation, I was really good because I was able to convert that into a great product, great idea. When I was talking to the people, they are really got excited कि हाँ, you are really working on a great thing. But since I was not able to convert that into real product or real sample product, it has got lost. It was completely gone into dust. So if you don't have that skills, where to go, how to find that vendors, that is a problem, and that is a part of creation. Because the person who can really find right people, he can do a survey, he can do a prototyping, he can do a sampling part, that is called a creator. And third, a promoter. Either I as a person really have that caliber, really have that same persona which suits my product. Like today, if I want to, है ना, अगर मुझे समझो एक प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करना है, either my personality really have that all sync with that product, need to be really understand. So in case if I want to convey something which is related to medicine, and if I have no idea about medicines, और मेरी पर्सनालिटी जो है बिल्कुल ही बुरे हाल में है, मैं उसका एम्बेसडर कैसे बन सकता हूँ, राइट? सो you need to be completely in sync with your idea. You have to really understand that either you can really be an ambassador of that product and idea. So either you can be a promoter of that idea. A promoter means who can really make that idea into brand. He can sell to the market, he can sell to the people, he can sell to the anyone who, to whom he is taking to. And the fourth one is the operator, means आप में उतनी समझ है, you really have that all patience and passion that you can really run this whole exercise or whole this company for whole your lifetime. कि मैं 5 साल 10 साल पूरी तरह से मैं इतना engaged होके इस पे काम कर सकता हूँ. I don't mind to go to the office on daily basis because you need to be passionate about it. Otherwise you won't be able to run that any company. So you have to be a completely, है ना, conceiving that idea कि हाँ ये मेरा idea है और मुझे इसको nurture करके बड़ा बनाना है. I have to raise this child, I have to raise this, है ना, kid to the adult level and make it grow. So वो अगर आप में passion है, then you can call yourself like a operator. So you have to find that all these 4 positioning. आपका जो idea है, आपको लगता है कि हाँ मैं तो creator बन सकता हूँ, you have to be very sure that I'm going to be a creator. Or if you think, okay, I have all idea, I can run this company, but I need a support, that all these 3 factors to be get done by someone else. That's why we emphasize to build a team. Then when you start making your core team, you will be finding right people to really support you. कि मुझे एक आइडिएशन वाला बंदा चाहिए जो मेरा आइडिया को प्रोजेक्ट बना दे, एक मेरा सैम्पल कन्वर्ट करने में हेल्प कर दे, और एक ऐसा पर्सन हो जो रियली उसकी पर्सनालिटी हो कि मेरे आइडिया को ब्रांड बनाने में हेल्प कर सके. You don't mind, because end of the day, see, as a parent, it is not important that who is going to be a mother or father. It is important that the kid should get raised properly. So इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि मैं जिन्होंने कंसीव किया है मैं हमेशा मेरी ही फ्रंट में चलेगी. सो इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट कि आप फ्रंट में हो या बैक एंड पे हो, बिकॉज योर कंट्रीब्यूशन इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी टेकन अवे एनीवेयर. आप हमेशा वहीं रहोगे जो आप कर रहे हो, बिकॉज एंड गोल क्या है? You want to make a profits, you want to raise your company and grow to the next level. So it is not important who is in the front, it is more important that how you are nurturing and building that company to the next big level. Okay, so you have to choose your role and then define what is going to be your core team, and accordingly you take the next step. And don't get stuck that कि मैं ही सब कुछ करूँगा. मैक्सिमम टाइम लोगों को ये लगता है कि ये मेरी कंपनी है तो या मेरा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, मेरे से कोई पूछेगा नहीं, मैं डिसीजन लूँगा. अगर आप डिसीजन नहीं भी ले रहे हो और अगर आपका कंपनी बिल्ड हो रहा है और आपकी कंपनी ग्रो हो रही है, व्हाट इज़ द हार्म? It's always better you should have more efficient, more strong people in your team. You should be not always look for a people who will only come behind you, because as a lead it is not important that you want people always behind you. वो अलग टाइप की लीडरशिप होती है जहाँ पे वो भेड़ चाल होती है कि सिर्फ मेरे पीछे झुंड बन के चलो, बिकॉज दैट ऑल झुंड इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू एनी मोर. वो प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो सब भाग जाएंगे पीछे के पीछे. आपको टीम चाहिए, दोज हु आर गोइंग टू बी मोर लाइक योर सेनापतिज, है ना. वो होता है ना कि वो सिपे सलार्स हैं, वो सेनापति है कि आप किंगडम में बैठे हो तो भी वो लोग फ्रंट में लड़के आपके लिए जंग जीत के आ सकते हैं. दैट शुड बी द गोल. और वो हम शतरंज है ना, इफ़ यू रियली लर्न शतरंज और चेस, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द किंग इज ऑलवेज बिहाइंड, ही इज़ नेवर कमिंग इन द फ्रंट. उसका काम हमेशा बैक एंड पे अपने किंगडम को सेव करना, सिक्योर करना होता है. आपका रोल है वैसे लोग खड़े करें जो आपके लिए आपके टर्म्स से बेहतर डिलीवर करने में सक्षम हो, वो डिलीवरी दे सके. और वैसी टीम आपके पास बन जाती है, देन यू कैन रियली बिकम अ ग्रेट एनी किंग. जैसे शिवाजी महाराज थे, मैं महाराष्ट्र से हूँ तो मैं बता सकता हूँ कि हर जगह वो खुद नहीं जाते थे लड़ने के लिए, राइट. इवन लाइक है ना, बाजीराव मस्तानी सब लोगों ने देखा, तो बाजीराव वॉज नॉट अ किंग, वो एक सेनापति थे. ओके, सो ही वॉज नॉट किंग, ही वॉज द वन ओनली सिंगल पर्सन जिन्होंने 36 लड़ाइयाँ जीती और एक भी कभी हारी नहीं. अब अभी लोगों ने मूवीज़ देखना शुरू किया तो लोगों को पता होगा, लेकिन he was not a king, but he was having that personality, he was having that all skills, but उसका बेनिफिट पूरा पूरा राज्य को मिलता था. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि सिर्फ जो वो अचीव कर रहे थे उसका बेनिफिट सिर्फ उनको मिल रहा था. अकॉर्डिंगली जो उनका पूरा राज्य था, जो शाहू जी महाराज थे, जो राजा थे, उनको भी उतना ही रिस्पेक्ट मिलता था, बिकॉज ही वॉज द वन हु वॉज ड्राइविंग हिम. और वो जानते थे कि उनसे किस तरीके से काम करवा के लेना है. ओके. Okay. Yes, guys.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for explaining such a better way which I can't find out in Google itself.
Oh,
thank you so much.
Thank you.
And one thing also I want to know that do you help me in developing our extensive personality as an entrepreneur, like a physical getup, how we should present, how the way we should talk, how to control our EQ. Because somehow we can manage our IQ, but EQ is a very tough part as far as I understand that.
Absolutely.
But it's required lot of meditation and spirituality to control our EQ.
Sure. So see,
being an entrepreneur, you have to must control your emotions, because if you don't have control on your emotion, you can't be a successful entrepreneur, as far I think. What is your opinion in that?
Absolutely. So you not need to control your emotion, you need to manage your emotions, because controlling is always suppressing yourself. So not need to suppress, you can manage it. And
Yes.
of course, see, I always mention always in most of my sessions that in this world the toughest part toughest part in entrepreneurship is handling manpower. If you learn to really get understanding of how to deal with people, that is the maximum 90% of the job is done by the entrepreneur. So of course we will be covering a lot of other topics also. So every Wednesday we are conducting and covering one separate subject on different topics. So whatever term you want to learn, you want to understand, we will pick that point and we will be taking other. Like in next session we have a topic for non-verbal gestures. Last time someone has given me, Mr. Joshi, I think, has been given. So I already noted down that. So next week we'll be having that word definitely. So all your will be taken care. Don't worry about that. So your personality, your everything, but you have to really be completely engaged here. If you're more working on your assignments, if you get aligned with us, then of course more the results will come to you. Only listening is not going to give any benefit to anyone, because whole your life is all your listening only. We go to school, we listen to the teacher. We watch TV, we listen to the people. There is so much when we are watching movies, when we are watching TV, commercial ads, but we are not taking it well. Okay, movies में कितना कुछ सीखने के लिए है, बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए, लेकिन हम लोग नहीं लेते हैं. That is what we need to really learn from. लाइक अरे छोटी छोटी कितनी सारी मूवीज़ हैं, है ना, वी अप्रिशिएट भी, और बहुत अच्छा लगता है देखने के लिए, और उसके बाद वो भूल भी जाते हैं. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जहाँ से हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से सीख सकते हैं. जैसे शाहरुख खान की जो दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, इफ़ यू सी दैट होल मूवी फ्रॉम द मैनेजमेंट पर्सपेक्टिव, कि बहुत ही अलग तरीके से आप देखोगे उसको, कि आप उसको लव एंगल की तरह ना देखते हुए एक मैनेजमेंट एंगल से देखना शुरू करो कि एक पर्सन है, ही इज़ हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम। पहले जो सिचुएशंस होती थी कि एक पर्सन जो है वो प्रॉब्लम्स को एड्रेस करने के लिए क्या करता था कि वो अपने फैमिली के अगेंस्ट चला जाएगा और फैमिली के अगेंस्ट जाके भाग जाएगा, शादी कर लेगा, एंड वी यूज टू कॉल इट कि हाँ अच्छा किया भैया, अच्छा है, यही एक सही तरीका है। नाउ दिस पर्सन हैज़ टेकन अ डिफरेंट पाथ, ही है ना, ही टुक अ चैलेंजिंग पाथ कि नहीं मैं ये नहीं करूँगा, आई विल चेंज द होल सिनेरियो, कि मैं प्रॉब्लम की जड़ तक जाके पहुँचूंगा। तो ही अंडरस्टूड द प्रॉब्लम, वेयर इज़ द प्रॉब्लम, ही रीच टू, है ना, उसके फादर के पास पहुँच के उनके साथ में, है ना, धीरे धीरे सिचुएशंस क्रिएट की, उसके फैमिली में जाके एंट्री किया, तो वहाँ की प्रॉब्लम्स को समझा। सो हर मूवी में, हर सक्सेसफुल मूवी में बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए भी होता है। यू जस्ट नीड टू थिंक फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव। आप उसको ज़िंदगी के अलग अलग चीज़ों के साथ जोड़ के देखना शुरू करोगे तो उसकी बहुत सारे अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव और अलग अलग इंटरप्रिटेशंस आपको देखने को मिल जाते हैं, राइट। सो अदरवाइज हम एक इंटरटेनमेंट की तरह सिंपली एक एक तरीके से देखते हैं। आप अपने कमर्शियल एड्स को देखिए, अभी जितनी भी आप, अगर आप बैठ के सिर्फ अपने कमर्शियल एड्स को देखते बैठिए तो हमको लगता है टाइम पास है, लेकिन यू स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग द ट्रिगर पॉइंट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी कमर्शियल एड विच इज़ गिवन टू यू, कि ये मुझे अच्छा क्यों लग रहा है, वाई एम आई एम फीलिंग ग्रेट अबाउट दिस एड, वॉट इज़ द इमोशन दिस एड इज़ ट्रिगरिंग इन मी। इधर मेरे फियर को ट्रिगर कर रहा है, या मेरे, है ना, लालच को ट्रिगर कर रहा है, या मेरे किसी और इमोशन को ट्रिगर कर रहा है। ईदर दे आर सेलिंग अ फीचर टू मी और दे आर सेलिंग अ इमोशन टू मी, एंड वाई आई एम गेटिंग सो अट्रैक्टेड टू दिस, वाई आई फील ग्रेट व्हेन आई एम वॉचिंग सम, है ना, एक्ट्रेस और एक्टर, मुझे अच्छा क्यों लग रहा है। हम हमेशा किसी के इंस्टाग्राम को फॉलो करते हैं, या हीरो या एक्टर्स या सबको, आज के डेट में हर एक को पता है कि एवरीथिंग इज़ फेक। हम जानते हैं कि अगर आप कियारा एडवानी का अगर कोई है ना ये देखते हैं, कमर्शियल ऐड देखते हैं, आजकल तो डिजिटल टीवी में ये पता चल जाता है कि वो कितना है ना ये किया हुआ है, फोटोशॉप किया हुआ है, आपको पता होता है कि वो फोटोशॉप्ड है, स्टिल यू गेट अट्रैक्टेड डिस्पाइट नोइंग दैट इट इज़, है ना, समथिंग विच इज़ चीटेड टू यू, बट स्टिल यू आर एक्सेप्टिंग एंड कंसेविंग इट। तो क्यों कर रहे हो आप, वॉट इज़ दैट इमोशन विच इज़ गॉट, है ना, अट्रैक्टेड टू यू। When you will think like an entrepreneur, then you will start relating with you, and you have to start this exercise by yourself. Wherever you are watching anything, whatever you are observing, start thinking from that perspective, what you as an entrepreneur taking anything from that subject. आप अलग अलग डायरेक्शंस में उसको सोचना शुरू करोगे, अलग अलग तरीके से सोचना शुरू करोगे, प्रॉब्लम के पीछे मत भागो। ओके, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर ऑल पुटिंग आर ऑल एक्शन टू जस्ट फिगरिंग आउट कि सॉल्व कैसे करना है, बिकॉज अगर सॉल्व करना अगर आपको पता होता तो देन यू विल नॉट बी, है ना, यू वोंट बी जस्ट फिगरिंग आउट दैट सॉल्यूशन, सो यू डोंट नो फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल गेट द सोल्यूशन, सो यू हैव टू गेट टू द कोर ऑफ दैट ऑल इश्यूज, फाइंड द राइट थिंग टू फिक्स इट। तो वो ढूंढना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो सोच बदलेंगे, अप्रोच बदलेंगे तो चीज़ें अलग नज़र आने लग जाएगी, डिफरेंट, एवरीथिंग इज़ इन द सेम वर्ल्ड। लाइक anyone who is building a 100 crore worth company or 1000 crore worth company, all the resources, material, everything, knowledge is all available in the same world. He is getting all from the same, where he is living, we are also in the same space. If he can get all that connections, why not we? Only because his approach is looking, and is looking from a different perspective, we are looking from a different perspective. हम मूवी को मूवी की तरह देखते हैं, वो किसी और तरीके से देखते हैं। हम, है ना, हम ऐड को कुछ और तरीके से देखते हैं, वो कुछ और तरीके से देखते हैं। यही फ़र्क है, सोच का फ़र्क है। ओके, यस आदेश, Tanaji is also one of the example. Yes, Tanaji also good. Who chart? Okay, you have not understood who.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Venkatesh here.
Yeah, Venkatesh.
Sir, you in the second thing you showed this who chart is there.
Mm-hmm.
Must understand what I have to do in this. What is related to this chart actually? What you mentioned there's a competition which I went through, and that's a you mentioned it should be simple, understandable. Vision should be in 1 minute. You told to make a vision state. It should be in 1 minute, and that should you should communicate. I'm not understanding like uh,
Hmm.
this we are going to take in the another 90 days, one by
No,
one.
no, 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 no. See,
It's all related.
we are just trying to figure it out what all strengths you have within you. Okay. So it is
Okay.
it is important to understand either you are good in communication skills, either you are good in which area of expertise you have. So
Okay.
if you know that if my communication is good, then you may not need to work on that area. But in case if you know that
Okay.
if writing is not my good area, you need to improve on that. So it is more like a listing and pen down all what strengths you have, what weaknesses you have. So once you know that,
Okay.
you will be able to figure out your role much better.
Much
Okay.
in a better way.
Yeah, better way.
In a better
So
way.
yeah, so once you know, you can evolve. So see, there is only one way you can improve yourself, by admitting that you are having a problem in that area. Once you know there is a problem, then only you can resolve it. If you don't accept the problem, then of course there is no solution required, right? So if you have a problem, you will find solution. If there is no problem at all, there is no solution at all required. That is the only thing.
Okay, fine. As you said in your this one, like in the uh, coaching, this one,
Mm-hmm.
um, it is a ideator, creator, promoter, and operator,
Correct.
right? So according to that, we have to make this thing. You mean to say like idea whether I'm good in ideator or creator, all those things. This personality belongs there, or like
Absolutely.
how?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So it is. See, it's not necessary that what you have. It may be having a bits and pieces in all the area of your operations, right? But
Yes.
as an individual, you should know that what strengths you have, which
Okay.
all strengths. If you know your strengths, you can capitalize on that strengths. Okay.
Okay.
And if you know that if something is missing, then of course you need to really work on that and upgrade yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, for example, sir, I'm having an idea. Okay, and like it's related to a technical thing in the sense we need a technical support team in the sense with software, web development, all those things. But
Correct.
I don't single knowledge about that.
Absolutely.
Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
then I don't have a single knowledge about that. But I know what my and how I'm going to implement it. What and all step by step, what I have to do to
Mm-hmm.
implement those,
Hmm.
and what will be the final end result.
Correct.
The thing is, I can do sales, I can do marketing, I can take care of operations. Accounts is not my part of area. Tech support or technical team, coaching I can take care, not an issue.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not tech support, I don't know. Knowledge I am having idea. In this case, how to define like to go like I need to build a team who is having a technical knowledge and who is having a designing knowledge. What the prototype should be developed, and then the final product should be coming like that. A technical team should be there, or how, or I should also involve in that.
See, when you say you are good in sales, okay, so the first step is you have to sell the idea to the technical partner. If you can manage to sell your idea to the technical partner to come as a member in your on your
Right.
board, then you are a good salesperson. Okay, because you are able to sell your concept. But when you say I'm a good salesperson, unless you don't have the technical knowledge of your product, that doesn't approve yet that you are really a good person for that role or that position. So it's too early for you to really define and say that I
Yes,
am good for
decide.
it. So
Okay, okay,
for
sir.
that reason, you have to really build your core team first. You know that
Hmm.
I'm good in ideation. You know that I can really convert that into virtual product now. So
Nice.
so you can convert that into a virtual product. Now the next job is you have to sell that virtual product to a creator. And who is the creator? Who is going to be a creator? A technical person who can really convert that into real product.
Hmm.
So if you have that caliber, if there is a potential in your all that product, you will be able to
Hmm.
sell that. So once you have your core person, it is not necessary that the technical person has to be your co-founder or he need to be a stakeholder in your company. You can have alliance, you can have a collaboration, but he should be your core team. He should be the person to whom you can believe that if you give something to him, he will convert that into real what you want.
Okay.
So you want that person. Then next coming to the promoter, if you know that there is a combination that ideation part you are already done good, the creation part you are done well. Now you think, if you think you both together have that caliber to be a part as a promoter, and you can promote and make it possible to convert that into a brand, then you can take that position. But if you don't know the technical side, like in case if today if the product is all technical side, if you go to the market, if you are not able to convey which language is all that belongs to, what kind of a coding is there in the whole whole this product, what will happen, plus and minuses, and someone question you, then of course you are not the right person for that.
Okay.
Getting me? So you have to make your team first and selling your idea. See, the start of selling is happening starting from your own self. You have to sell your idea to yourself first. You have to you have to convince yourself that this idea is
Convince
good.
myself.
Yeah,
Yes, this will work out.
yeah. So
Okay.
you have to convince yourself that this idea is great and I am through with this. Today I am done with this. My project is ready. I can sell this idea to anyone. Then the next step is you have to find the right person who can convert that into reality.
So you mean to say like that idea I have to make a business model?
Absolutely.
Only then I have to only after making a business model only I can convey these things to the team which I want to onboard.
See, anyone who is coming on board with you as a business partner, if he is coming only just basis on your face value, he is not the right partner with you.
Okay.
You should have a person who should be able to question hundred times of question to you why this product is going to function and run well.
Okay.
You want someone who is better than you in your team. If he is a technical partner, he should be a more like a devil advocate, and he should question and challenge your all decision that what you are thinking is correct or not. Then you will find a great product out of it. Okay, so just don't go by the wish and will that okay, if someone is looking good he will be partner in my company. No, you have to find the right person who will challenge you.
Let's see.
Okay, so that's how you will make a good core team.
Team.
Yeah,
Good team.
core team.
And okay, if for example, as you said, you can have assignments done with somebody else, like freelancing or somebody. So, how sure how good I can assure that my idea will not be theft and like it will not be taken
See,
away
we
by
have we have non-disclosure agreement draft copy also in the program itself. You can download that copy. You can get it signed by the people. Also, we will be sharing a link of directory with all your people. You can update your directory. You can interact with other people in the group as well. If someone is matching with your requirement, if someone is already into the technical side, if you find that aligns, we don't mind. So you can start interacting with them, get gel with them, and start
Okay.
finding your partners.
Now, one more question, sir. If, for example, I am staying at Mysore now,
Mm-hmm.
find a alliance, somebody who is there in Hyderabad or Mumbai or somewhere within India, then how to convey those things and like how to come together and make to build those things.
See, nowadays virtually everything is happening.
Virtually everything is
Yeah,
happening,
because
sir, but
everything is happening through a phone, through a Skype. Even it is nothing new. US market from last 15 years they are doing everything on Skype. So there is no restriction, there is no limitation unless you are getting into the manufacturing or production side. So don't keep your mind blocked. If you find someone, even if it is a remote, only issue is have a proper documentation done, have all the due diligence properly done. If everything is safe, go ahead. No, don't hold for
okay,
that.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
And,
Yes.
as you said, non-disclosure agreement. Freelancers are not ready to sign the agreement because they say, "Look, we are not a company or something like that. I
There
cannot
is nothing to nothing is related with
do."
freelancing. NDA means non-disclosure agreement. It is between the two person to company, or company to person, or person to company. That whatever we are having a conversation in between each other, it will be kept safe between both of us. We will not share that information with anyone else for any commercial benefits. If he is not signing an agreement, he is not the right person for you,
Okay.
because he don't understand the technical part, he don't understand the compliance side, so he is immature, he is not a right partner for you.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so don't go with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you very
welcome.
much. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Anyone else, guys? Any more questions? Hope we are already done 1 hour session today. But still, if anyone have any questions, any roadblocks, I don't mind to take. Maybe in next 5-10 minutes we can call a day and close the meeting for today's session. Anyone else? Thank you, Rupesh ji.
जी वो एग्जांपल दीजिए ना, टेस्ट मैच हम लोग जो जीते उससे।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
आप दीजिए ना।
हाँ जी।
You far better, मतलब you will present it more better than me.
In place, Rahul Dravid as a coach and make us पंत। बट आपको पंत भी तो बनना पड़ेगा ना, सिर्फ मुझे राहुल बना के थोड़ी होगा।
तो आपको हो सकता है ना कहीं गाइडेंस का कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा हो, इसलिए
सिर्फ गाइडेंस,
बैकलिफ्ट वगैरह प्रॉपर नहीं जा रहा हो, कुछ ना कुछ तो वो तो आपको थोड़ा सा इनिशिएटिव आपको भी थोड़ा सा लेना पड़ेगा। You have to start act like a boss कि नहीं boss, this should be done. I have started going we have centers.
That could only happen अगर आप प्रेजेंटेशन लेके आओ। सो जब तक आप
जब प्रेजेंटेशन इज रेडी विद मी,
करेक्ट, अगर आप आप ग्राउंड पे उतरोगे नहीं, मैं आपका स्टांस देख नहीं पाऊंगा, तो मैं करेक्ट कैसे करूंगा? सिंपल।
ठीक है ना सर? I have start going to मतलब this rehab centers.
Yes.
And I have start meeting fellows.
Absolutely. Yeah. Venkatesh, don't be sorry about anything. I don't mind. You can question multiple things multiple times to us.
Okay.
No problem at all. Don't be sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So in fact, that is, I enjoy interacting with you all people. So I don't mind if you are questioning me multiple times, any basic question, no problem at all. In fact, it is good that you are opening up and clarifying your doubts. I'm sure once you clear with your doubts, you will be better person, better entrepreneur. So that is the motive of all this subject, right? Great, guys. Thank you. Anyone else want to come in? Yes, please.
Yeah. Yesterday I asked the same question about defining the market size. I am still confused how to actually define or get the market size.
See, market size is all depend on what kind of a business you are trying to get in. First, you have to understand your audience. Okay, so you have to figure out that what is the model, what is the business idea you have, what all you are trying to, which all audience you want to target, and once you decide that what audience you have, then you can really go for a market size. And if you really want to know the market size, then of course there are a lot of agencies available in the market who are doing survey and trying to figure out the size of market. Or you can go for a free options where there are research agencies. There are some links which I can also share sometime later, and you can find out that what kind of a size you are targeting. But you have to go to the depth of that subject first. ऐसे नहीं बता सकते in general कि from where you will get. Like today, consider like that कि in case if I want to start a manufacturing of mobile phones. So इंडिया में कितना बड़ा मार्केट साइज है वो समझने के लिए आई हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि कितने कंज्यूमर्स हैं, कितना है ना ऑपरेटर लेवल्स हैं, कितने लोग इंटरनेट यूज़ करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू गो दैट माइक्रो लेवल.
Okay, so do we have to include the existing companies who are actually acquiring the customers?
Of course, 100%. Even because why you will not find those customers suitable for you. You will try to fetch that customer for you. Why you are trying to get into the market? You want to be a better than what competition is already offering you. So the best part is that already if competition is available, then you should already have a proof of concept. There is already people who are selling your product. So you just need to be a much better than them. So data is already available. That means, right? So data is already there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Can you share the link where I can get the market size, for example, like free sources? If there is anything like which is costing us, we can think about it in the future to spend our money.
Sure. I will share some links in the next session. I'll keep a note of this, and I have to just fetch out from all my other documents. So I will work out on that, and I'll give some links to you from where you can really get the data. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Kunal is asking, making team initial capital is big hurdle for. See, Kunal, I am again requesting, this is not the hurdle, this is all the mindset and mind block. You have to make your presentation ready, you have to come with the all readiness. If we really find your product is ready, your pitch is ready, you are got ready, believe me, I will help you to reach to the right people who can give you all kind of alliances and collaboration. But if you are just simply expecting me to expose you to the big people, that is not going to help you, because you will be face falling on your face. आप खुद भी वो अचीव नहीं कर पाओगे, और at the same time I will lose my credibility. So please accept this fact. You have to prove yourself that you are completely ready as a entrepreneur who want funding, who want collaboration, who want alliances. Once you reach there, and if you are questioning me कि सर अब मैं ready हो गया, अब बताओ आगे कहाँ जा सकते हैं, then if I am failing, then I may question myself. But अभी तक वहाँ पहुँच नहीं रहे हम लोग. You are trying to jump to the direct last mile. You have to really figure it out that how and what you are working on. Come with the presentation slide by slide, fine tune it, make yourself ready, and then you will get all your answers. Even the schemes and all. Today if I give you all the schemes, मैंने ऐसा नहीं कि दिया नहीं है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड विद मिस्टर तेजस गांधी. यू कैन आस्क तेजस जोशी. उनको मैंने ऑलरेडी शेयर भी किया, उनको मेल भी किया, लिंक्स भी भेजे. इवन आई हैव शेयर्ड फ्यू कॉन्टैक्ट्स टू सम ऑफ अदर पीपल ऑल्सो. सो जहाँ जहाँ मुझे लगा कि हाँ दे हैव ऑलरेडी रीच टू दैट पोजिशन, आई हैव शेयर्ड, बिकॉज दे कैन रियली टेक द बेस्ट advantage of that all benefits. Otherwise it will go for the waste. I don't want to waste that all my resources. So you have to come with the readiness, you have to come with the presentation, you will get your all solutions at right time. That is why I have been given 90 days time to all you people. But if you are not coming with the presentation, I won't be able to know where you are standing today, what all problem you are facing. आई विल बी ओनली कमिंग टू नो फ्रॉम ऑल दैट बिट्स एंड पीसेस कि कभी आपने कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया तो ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है बस. लेकिन उसके अलावा मुझे नहीं पता है कि आपका स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट पे क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. ओके. हु चार्ट टॉप रो इज डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट, सेल्स, मार्केटिंग, कोचिंग. You can change. See, sales, marketing, coaching, those are all examples given. You can upgrade that as per your business model. You can, आपका, if you have a technical side, if you have other things to be mentioned, you can mention accordingly. Okay. So Kunal, sorry if I am disappointing you, but I'm again requesting you, please come with your presentation. I will definitely, I don't mind even speak with you one to one. I will help you wherever you require any support from my end. Okay, that's good. Okay. Venkatesh, there is a lot of conditions. Even you can get at the incubation condition also, on paper business also you get but it all depends what kind of a pie you want to give it to the people. If your real project is so good, if you all have good knowledge, if you can really sell your idea conceptually on virtual format also, there are people who are ready to invest money. But again, in that case, it all depends on your credibility and what kind of a profile you have, how you really conceive, how you perceive, what all history you have, how you are going to convince that person that he is going to be in a safe hand. So it depends on that. But in initial phase, in case if you want to go for a funding, you will be losing very big chunk of shares to him, maybe 50%, 55%, 60%, anything. You have to be ready for that. But I will advise, make yourself ready first, make your project ready, then understand that either equity is the option to be sell, or any other option, maybe alliances, collaborations, or another thing is required. Perfect, Kunal. I'll be appreciating that. We'll definitely take it from there. Okay. Great. Good guys, I think then I hope we are done with the today's session. I hope I have been managed to answer everyone, and I'll be expecting most of the people on Sunday session with the presentations. No matter if your presentation is not complete, even though whatever you have created, come with that pitch. Either it is 1 week, 2 week, whatever you have created. So don't hesitate. Even if you don't have a presentation, if you just want to convey verbally, at least open up, share your ideas and thoughts. You will find some more benefits and solutions out of us. Okay. So please be present and take the best advantage of this platform. Thank you very much. I'll see you on next Sunday, 11 a.m. sharp. Thank you guys and enjoy your week ahead. Thank you. Thank you for joining today's session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Good night. Good night. Thank you. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you very much and good night. Please allow me to take the exit now. Thank you very much.